I'm wishing big. Or don't. Yeah.
Oh no.
Hi, it's Kayla. And Joshua.
Welcome to our show. Today we're doing slime video. Do you need something to say?
Sure. I'm going to slime. Hey. Yeah.
What is so? We're gonna do the ingredient. What ingredients first?
Glue.
That's mine. So we got glue, and the next ingredient, we just got one shaving cream because we're gonna use it for half.
Yeah.
And we got food coloring. I'm gonna get pink and purple.
And I get mine.
Blue and green for my foot. We're gonna get our cups to measure. First, we're gonna open the glue. Ooh, look at the glue.
Too much?
I guess too much.
Look at this. There's so much. That's the one finish almost.
Okay, it's mine done. Next, we're gonna pick up the cup and put the glue. Or you can use the spoon if you want.
I'm with my shoe.
Oh, okay, we're done. Look at our bowls. They're coming like a snake. Okay, so next we're gonna put the So we're gonna put half.
Yeah.
Off the glue, we're gonna measure the cup with the shaving cream.
Yeah. I
Don't go so much. Move the glue. Oh no. Oh no. For the shaving cream. Joshua, hold your cup so I can put the shaving cream in.
That's what?
Oh no. Okay. Now my turn. Ew. Alright. We're gonna get our spoons to put the shaving cream.
And then mine.
So we're gonna get our cups. Look at them. They're really sticky this salt.
Why not that?
Yeah.
I can't get it. Can you help me do it?
No, you take it out your hands. Okay.
Ew.
Ready? This is so good.
Sorry. Suck.
It's stuck? Okay, let me help you put it down.
I can't put it down because it's cake. What?
Get it out. Yeah, my hand is stuck.
It's glue.
Okay, Joshua, I'm all done.
All done.
You're not all done.
Kayla. I just think I put that in here.
What?
This.
Yeah, we're gonna put it soon.
Oh.
Oh man. So we're gonna put a little bit of Kanka solution. So let's open it. I'm gonna put it for my brother. He doesn't know.
So tight.
Put a little bit.
I want to put it.
No, I need it.
Just plain it. These bubbles.
That's it, I guess. So
Then I gotta put it in.
wait for me.
Okay, I think that's enough.
So the next one is we're gonna stir it. So first we're gonna dump our cup inside there. Look at that. Don't stick it like that.
Oh. Let's just do it.
Maybe it's in there. Now we're gonna smush it with our hands. Okay.
Ready, set, go. Oh, so lucky. Easy.
Shush.
Yo, it's lucky. Let me see. Sucking on it. Oh, my hand. Look, my hand like money.
They look like snow fingers.
Yeah, look at it. Like white.
Snow is white.
Yeah.
Oh, look at mine is all white.
Oh, my God. Go.
Oh, look at it. It's so disgusting.
It's like white poo-poo.
Like, it looks like snow.
No, like white poo-poo.
We had to try to make it sticky. trying to add the food coloring and we don't know if we could. Just 1 spoon. Oh. So now we're gonna mix it with our hands.
Yeah.
Oh my! Look at mine.
That
It looks rainbow.
It's my favorite too.
Whoa, I love yours, Josh. I love mine more.
Like
The pink and purple mixed to a pretty color. I want to keep this.
and me too.
I have a little.
I got too much.
I just have a little.
I told you to put too much. And you said no, more. It's green, look.
No.
Look, yours pink.
It doesn't either stretch. Pink just fails, so it's not stretchy. Only other people can do it. So I hope you liked it. And subscribe and bye.
And in the bottom,
Okay, bye.
Bye.
So, okay, guys, this kind of failed, so we're just playing it like this, and we're throwing it in the garbage.
Yeah.
That's my cousin away. Sophie, say hi.
Hi.